OMG, Microsoft and OpenAI are like totally working together to make AI super cool. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. Oh, and you better subscribe. So, Microsoft Research just introduced this new AI model called Orca. It learns by copying big language models, which is pretty awesome. They say Orca is going to be even better than those smaller models because it imitates the thinking of the big models like GPT-4. Guess what? Orca can be customized for different tasks and trained using big models like GPT-4. And since it's smaller, it doesn't need a ton of computing power. You can tweak it to do what you want and run it all by itself without relying on a huge data center. In the research paper, they say Orca has 13 billion parameters, which is a lot. It can learn from those big models like GPT-4 and even Vicuna. And with the help of GPT-4, which supposedly has over 1 trillion parameters. Crazy, right? Orca can learn all kinds of explanations and step-by-step thinking processes. Microsoft is using tons of different imitation data to make Orca learn better. It's already outperforming Vicuna by 100% on these super hard reasoning tests called Big Bench Hard, BBH. And get this, Orca is like 42% faster than regular AI models on something called a GVL. When it comes to reasoning, even though it's smaller, Orca can totally keep up with ChatGPT on those BBH tests. It's also doing pretty well on school exams like SAT, LSAT, GRE, and GMAT, although it's not as good as GPT-4.